In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Google Ads campaign. We're going to walk through a clean, reliable way to copy an existing campaign so you can reuse a proven structure without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is perfect for launching to a new location, testing a new message, or creating a seasonal variation while keeping the original intact. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Ads. In the results, click the official link that goes to ads.google.com so you land in the actual platform, not a help article or a third-party page. When the home page loads, click Sign In and log into the account that contains the campaign you want to copy. Inside Google Ads, look to the left-hand navigation and click the campaign's icon. At the top of that section, open the campaigns drop-down, then choose Campaigns again so you can see your full campaign list in one place. Now click the specific campaign you want to duplicate. Choose the one whose structure, targeting, and creatives you want to reuse. With that campaign selected, open the Edit menu and click Copy. This copies the entire campaign, including ad groups, ads, and most settings, so you're not starting over. Next, open the Edit menu again and select Paste. Google Ads will show a dialog with preferences for the paste. Here's what matters most. Pause new campaigns after pasting is strongly recommended. Keeping the duplicate paused gives you time to review budgets, locations, schedules, and tracking before any spend happens. You'll also see options for start and end dates. You can adjust them now if you already know your timing, or leave them as they are and update later. The paste happens at the campaign level in the same account, preserving the original, which makes this a safe way to iterate. When you're comfortable with those preferences, click Paste to create the duplicate. The new campaign will appear in your list, typically with a name that indicates it's a copy. Because it's paused, you have breathing room to scan through the details, confirm the bidding strategy and daily budget carried over, and ensure the targeting and ads align with your new objective, whether that's a different region, a fresh audience segment, or a promotional window. And that's it. Your original campaign remains untouched, and your duplicate is ready for careful review and, when you're confident, activation. Duplicating campaigns this way saves setup time, preserves your proven structure, and helps you test improvements without risking performance.